there's a lot of construction noise here today and I need to get some important work done. So my team and I were thinking we'll head to a co-working space and work from there for the day. I think it'll be a nice fun video idea as well. So I'm going to take you all along with me. We've reached our co-working space for the day, and the place that we've come to is called Beehive in Indiranagar, and the place looks absolutely beautiful, so I thought I'll give you a tour. This place here is sort of like the common area which has a little bit of seating, some lighting, some greenery, and it looks really pretty. I'm going to come here and work for some time, maybe later in the day. Opposite that is the kitchen, sort of like the area for like food and pantry and stuff. So we have a coffee machine, we have microwave, glasses, water, all of the basic stuff that you need to do your work efficiently. This is sort of like the open expanse co-working area where we are sitting and working today. There are a lot of tables. Thankfully, the place doesn't have too many people today, so we're able to get the privacy that we usually have in our home office also. And next to that are these meeting rooms and sort of like private cabins where people can sit and do their work also, which I think is really nice if you want to have your own space.
So please, can I get the honest review
of
the quality of the products from you?
I think the quality of the products is absolutely amazing. The print quality, the paper quality, the designs, everything looks great.
The video reaches to a large number of audience.
Yeah, it doesn't, usually will not matter much.
Talk less about furniture.
Yeah, and more about the food. Yeah, I like that also because, you know, like I personally like IKEA food. It's something that I enjoy.
You've been to other IKEA?
I've been to the Hyderabad IKEA and I've been to the Bangkok IKEA. Yeah. So speaking about so much food, I'm really hungry. Let's order something. Yeah. What do we order?
You can order pizza.
नहीं, मैंने कल ही खाया. कुछ हेल्दी खाते हैं.
Healthy, like pav bhaji.
पाव भाजी चलेगा.
Yeah, you eat the dhania. Sorry, dhania nahi hai.
There's no dhania. There's no nimbu. No, nimbu is there on the side.
प्याज और नींबू.
So after having lunch, we're all feeling super sleepy. So we thought we'll go upstairs and play in the gaming area just to wake us up a little bit. And this is the gaming zone. There's a TT table, there's a carom board, and there's construction noise, which apparently you can't escape no matter where you go in Bangalore.
It was great जब मास्टर शेफ वाले वीडियो में
We came and we all came and sat like this. It was really nice.
I actually liked that video a lot. It was
very well.
really well done.
Did you get a chance to speak to ViewSonic?
Yeah, I had spoken to them.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Address अभी तक नहीं दिया है,
हाँ.
but they'll send us the monitors in a few days.
अब वो क्या उसका कुछ बात हुआ रिटर्न का?
No, that I had an opportunity. I'll do it today.
हाँ बात कर लो. We can maybe it could be like an office vlog sort of a situation, and like some of the members are like the editors and all are working on like nice monitors, something like that we could have.
So what are you working on?
I'm just going through my mails. We have an event that is coming up on 14th, so I'm replying to them as well. So yeah, basically checking up my mails and responding to people on time.
So what are you working on?
I'm working on the captions for next week.
And what are you working on, Salma?
It actually looks like I'm on my phone, but I'm doing a 50-day reel challenge on Instagram. So I'm going through the analytics of our reels, how they've performed, and based on that, create the strategy for the next week.
I was in Celeb the City, you, and then that. That one.
Vampire Diaries is sci-fi. Nagin is a sci-fi, right?
हाँ, but see,
Size थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
there's a time between when she's like, you know, this Nagin is just so fine.
So it's around 6:30 now, and I'm thinking I'll wrap up for the work day. I actually really enjoyed working from the co-working space. It was a really nice change of space, and you know, when you come to a new location, you feel a lot more creative. So we were able to come up with some fun ideas. Will I come and work from here every day, or will I consider getting an office in the co-working space? No, because I feel like it's not ideal for the kind of work that I'm in, you know, where I have to move around a lot and shoot. It would be disturbing for the other people who are working in the co-working space, but I quite liked it. And if you're someone who works from home, or you need like a space to work out of, most of the co-working spaces have a day pass system where you could pay a flat fees and you could come there and work. I think it's a really nice idea. You should definitely consider doing it. You'll get some fresh ideas with the change of location. For now, I'm going to pack up. Look for cab also.
या आई डू इट. अभी करेंगे तो 8 बजे तक इजी आएगा.
आज तो घर पहुंचने में बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. With this video, I'm doing a giveaway where 3 of you stand a chance to win a book of your choice. Any book you want. I'll pick the winner, I'll ask them what they want, and I'll send it over to you. The rules for the giveaway are in the description box below. Check it out, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.